Hi, so I'm going to share a look at the new Art Toolkit palette. It comes in 3 new colors and I ordered one of those. So I'm Tammy Inman and this is A Peach Life, and this is a look at my new Art Toolkit pocket palette. Okay, I like that. It has the coordinating strings. I bought one as a gift, and the color it coordinates with the strings also. Okay, blue is kind of my go-to color that comes in now. Red, purple, and blue. Look how pretty that blue is. It's so cute. I love it. Now I will say I've shared many times my other Art Toolkit palettes, and I do have quite a few. I love this. This is the pocket palette size. It's their middle, sort of like their little Goldilocks size. Then they have a Demi, which is smaller, and a Folio, which is larger. Okay, so I got that new little palette, and I felt like I'm gonna save that for some new little paints. I felt like when I'm going on my little travels and such to New York and Chicago and different little places, when I find special little art supply shops and I get some colors, I'm gonna go ahead and utilize this for like miscellaneous colors. I got the little palettes that go inside. These are the standard ones. I also have some smaller ones. So there's the half pans, and then standard, which is a double of these. And I just thought this could be a really just fun palette when it really doesn't matter the brand. It's just if I like a particular color, and then I can mix all those in, so I don't have to have a full palette of just a particular color. I thought it'd be a fun way to try some of the brands. So these are the 3 sizes of the, of the pans. I don't know if I said palette earlier, to create your palette. And then you add them in, which is so cute. So I guess I'll kind of see as the colors I get. I typically just utilize this size pan most often, although I did think it would be kind of fun to have one with this in it, which would only give me, I think that only allows for, yeah, 3 of that size. That's kind of nice. But it's really great because you can kind of mix these, or not kind of, you can mix them around and do different things with them. I'll also show you, they have extra little mixing pans. So this is where you mix, and this is an extra little spot. This tends to be my favorite little go-to size. I like that. So we'll see. I'll more than likely just stick with this size here. And then, okay. So there's a little look at, they also have the larger, let me show you. Larger mixing ones. So this is a double. And then you could put, I can't imagine I'd ever need that much little mixing, but you could if you want to do your main colors and you mix a lot. But it really has some nice little options. I have that over here. This is my little mixing palette ones. Okay. My regular little palettes. I will also show you, I got one of the travel brushes. This is R26. I didn't have this one. This is really a nice, I was already using it earlier. A nice little point, so don't get scared when I show you this. But this is a little painting that I had that I kept saying I needed to finish up and work on. And I keep trying to fix his little face. And for whatever reason, I just can't. So I keep kind of erasing it out and starting over. So we'll see how that little guy turns out. But I just added a little more detail in my flowers. I need to add a lot more in there. But I really like, oh, look at, I told you this is R26. Something seemed wrong about that. This is my new, no, hold on. This is my new R26. Okay. So I love it. It's kind of like a size 4. I love it for its nice, like good amount of little pointiness. This is R28, which is like a 6. Are those so good? So these are my ones that I keep with me in my small art toolkit kit. So our toolkit makes these really great little toolkits. I've shared them many times in my other videos. Definitely want to take a peek back at those other videos of it. Let me just pop up there a little bit. This is the small. It comes in 2 sizes. I've added this, I've altered and added that elastic on. But my little travel ones, I added that R26 to my travel brushes. And then I have this one. I think this one's called like a dot. I don't know the number offhand. And then I have this big guy, and he is R10, which he might be like probably like a 10. That might be why he's R10. Like a size 10 brush. So this is like a 4, a 6, and a 10. And then this little dot guy. And this goes in my main little grab and go travel kit. So it's really great. I'll show you. I mentioned that they come in purple, blue, and red now. So blue was a must, and I got one of the other colors as a gift. But their standard colors are silver and black. And I've added this sticker on here. But this was like, this is a mixture of my go-to paint colors, which are Royal Talons Van Gogh and Daniel Smith and Winsor & Newton. Okay, and a couple Holbein ones. So I thought this could be for a whole new, all kinds of colors, anything that I don't already have. Just have some fun. And when I'm out and pick them up, not for like shopping online, but for in-person brick and mortar art supply stores, when I find some colors that just say, we're fun, you've got to have me. So that would be cute. And then I have this little sticker that I got from another little special kit. So I thought that one might be really cute on here. Let's see. I always like to put a little sticker on mine. My silver one, it really has lots of scratches on it. I take that one with me a lot, and I'm always feeling that. Okay, that is so cute. This is a little shop, and they actually made, so let me go back for 1 second. Travelers Company has this one and a green one. I've shared my green one and small versions. Okay, this is not a little art toolkit lesson, so I apologize if you're here just for the blue. But this particular company also made a special one. Wow. Oh, here it is. In this pink color. How cute is that? And there is one of their little characters on there. I don't know the brand. It says this is, I don't even know if this is the name of the brand right here. I apologize. So, oh, this might be it back here. Art Toolkit. Look at that, those little guys. It's here. I don't know if we can get that. I mean, that is so tiny. Well, my point being is they don't offer it. It was a special thing through this shop. I was lucky enough to get one third party. And so it might have been eBay or Mercari. So this little sticker came with it. It's really cute together. Okay, and the Travelers Company ones. And I do have other videos where I show a lot more in my palettes and what I have in there. And I do need to make a new little video of that for you guys soon, an updated one. But I have like little short stories and videos sharing more of those. But this new blue is just wonderful. I can't even tell you how wonderful it is. I couldn't have even picked a better blue if I was like trying to pick something exactly that I would love and want. It's so good. It looks really cute with the pink and the gold. Isn't that adorable? And the silver, very Eastery. And I have a little small silver. So they are sometimes making little special ones. For Christmas, I got this little special one. I put the sticker on. It was a limited edition little green. So when they have those limited edition ones, I'm like obsessed. I don't need them. I do resist them sometimes, but sometimes there's just colors that are difficult to resist. So all of these have a purpose except for my new blue one, which I have a reason for it. And I will definitely show you guys here probably this coming week in a video of inside all my Art Toolkit palettes. I do have a few more than this, so that'll be fun to show you guys. And also, I don't have it set up that way right now, but if you are looking just for a mixing palette, something that you can go to, I really want to turn this one or another one into my mixing palette just with all the different size squares, and that's just my go-to mixing palette for home or when I'm painting for a long time. And it would just be so nice to just, because sometimes in your mixing palette it's so nice that you already have some great colors mixed or something you didn't fully use, that a lot of times I can paint just off my little mixing palette. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a little like. You have any questions, let me know. I answer everything, and this is my lovely new Art Toolkit palette with the sticker added, and my R26. Okay, sorry, look at, ooh, I got off-centered a little there for you guys. But it's wonderful, and definitely take a look at some of my past Art Toolkit organizing options. They have some really great little ideas for you guys. Thanks for joining me.